The absolute best way to replace a missing tooth is with dental implants. Dental implant is placed directly into the site where a missing tooth is, and with that titanium screw, we're able to connect a porcelain crown to it. Now, this is the strongest way, the most natural way, and also the longest lasting way to replace the tooth. In providing the dental implant services, our office has probably some of the most advanced and sophisticated technologies available. We use a CT scan, we have the ability to do guided surgeries, we have a in-house milling unit which allows us to produce the restoration in one day. I love having this technology because it allows me to place the implants in the exact places where they need to be. The surgery is much faster and more accurate, and it gives the patient a much better result. It's extremely rare that we find someone is not a candidate for dental implants or full arch treatment. Most of our patients, they are already in dentures, they've already lost all their teeth and they're looking for a solution to give them fixed teeth. Many of our patients are about to lose their teeth due to periodontal disease or genetics. So these are the patients that we love helping over here. We're extremely proud of the work that we do here. Over 20 years experience in the field. We use the highest quality materials and the advanced technology. And this directly translates into a much better result for our patients. If you're missing one tooth, many teeth, or all your teeth, please come and see us. We'd love to help you out. Call us so we can give you a free consultation.